Are you thinking of selling your home in 2025 and want to maximize the value? Preparing your home can make all the difference between a quick, top dollar sale and a prolonged, stressful process. So where do you start to get the best return on your investment? Hi, I'm David Janssen. Let's talk about the repairs that give you the most value. First off, start with the basics. The repairs that really matter most to buyers. Things like fixing leaky faucets, running toilets, or making sure doors and windows open smoothly with no squeaks or torn screens. These are all low-cost fixes that really show buyers your home is well maintained. You may want to boost your curb appeal by repainting the front door and putting down some fresh mulch, and that really helps freshen up the outside of the home. We all know first impressions matter, and by doing this, your home will have greater perceived value. So what about the pricier repairs and improvements for like kitchens and bathrooms? Well, kitchens are typically the heart of the home, and the buyers love to see an updated, fresh, and functional kitchen. You can replace outdated cabinet hardware, install energy-efficient appliances, or upgrade your countertops. Data shows that minor kitchen updates can generate a return on investment of 80 to 90%. How about revitalizing a bathroom? You can replace faucets and toilets or install new mirrors and light fixtures. These can give you a potential return on investment of 60 to 70%. So why is return on investment important? It will help you decide which improvements are worth the cost to maximize your property value and put more money back in your pocket. Getting your property ready to sell in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right steps and a little expert guidance, you'll attract the right buyers and maximize your sale. Reach out so we can talk about your goals and help you decide what improvements really will help you the most. Again, I'm David Janssen. We've been providing exceptional real estate services here in the Houston area since 2010, and we look forward to working with you.